Hi, my name is Darren and I work for BC Housing, and today I'm going to show you how to auger a sink. If you had tried plunging and it did not work, the next step is to auger the sink. Before I get started, just wanted to take a moment to talk about some personal protective equipment. I have some goggles, some gloves, some paper towel, and some rags. The equipment I will need is a bucket, a handheld auger, adjustable pliers, some garbage bags, and some sanitizing agent. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to auger a sink using a hand auger. As you can see, I have my personal protective equipment on. If there's a pop-up, it will need to be removed first. So we're going to start by feeding the snake down the sink. And I'm going to slowly feed it down and turn the handle clockwise. Now as I reach the end, I'm going to extend it and push more down. And I'm going to continue to feed it down. Now if you've tried to snake and it does not clear, the next step is to remove the P-trap and snake through there. So I'll take my adjustable pliers and remove the P-trap. You'll want to have a bucket below to catch any residual water. Now I'll take my hand auger and feed it through the drain. Continue feeding it and turning the handle clockwise. Now once you feel you've gone far enough, you can remove the snake from the drain and feed it back into the auger. You may have to turn it counterclockwise to get the snake out. Now you can put the P-trap back on. And then you want to run water to make sure your drain is clear. And that's how you auger a drain. Today I'm going to show you how to auger a toilet. If you tried plunging and it didn't work, then the next step is to auger the toilet. Before we get started, I just want to take a moment to go over some personal protective equipment. I have some goggles, some gloves, some paper towel, and some rags. The tools I will need: it's a bucket, some sanitizing agent, and some garbage bags. And as well, I will show you how to use a toilet auger. As you can see, I have my personal protective equipment on. I'm just going to talk through to how to prevent the toilet from overflowing. So you want to remove the tank lid and shut off the water supply. And when you flush the toilet, if the water in the bowl rises, you're going to want to close the flapper valve with your hand. When the bowl water is stable, you can open the water supply to fill the tank for another test flush. Now I'm going to show you how to use a toilet auger. You're going to want to disconnect the cable from the clip and pull the telescopic handle so that the cable is right snug with the curved end. And you're going to insert it into the toilet. And push the telescopic handle as you're turning it. Now you can test flush. It's still plugged. Try again. When you're finished, turn the handle counterclockwise and pull the telescopic handle out. You can do another test flush. And now the toilet is cleared. Shake off any water. And clip the cable back on. Equipment on. I'm going to begin by feeding the snake